Welcome to TexasE36 Garage, guys. We have big news. So guys, the big news is we are partnering with ECS Tuning to get all of our needs for all the cars. We now have a partnership with ECS Tuning for the red car, the white car, and the X5, guys. So we will be doing a lot of videos and a lot of stuff with them. A lot of maintenance stuff for the X5, a lot of their race products for the white car, and a lot of their performance parts and everything for the red car. This actually just comes right in time. We're about to do the starter and get the starter replaced and get the supercharger installed, guys. So what this is going to do, guys, is allow us to get all the parts that we need from a quality supplier and a quality company with great shipping. I've worked with them in the past, just buying parts from them, and it's been an amazing experience. So it was only a logical move to join with ECS and partner up with them so we can get the stuff that we need for all the cars, guys. You know, I no longer have to hunt down good deals or hunt for parts that I need. We go straight to ECS and get what we need, and we're done. So, you know, for this car, we're going to be taking off the intake manifold, getting the starter and everything. We're getting all our gaskets and everything we need through ECS, guys. So, the list of parts that I'll be ordering for this is going to be in the description below. Use the link down in the description. It helps the channel out, helps ECS out, helps you out. You know, there's discounts and everything associated with the channel. So if you use the links down below, you're gonna get those discounts and help out the channel, help out you. So it'll be a good situation, guys. So you know, everybody saw that we got our supercharger in. You know, we have some things on the list to do prior. You know, I want to paint the bay, clean it up, wire tuck a few things, guys. But, you know, we'll get ordering intake manifold gaskets, starter, throttle body gaskets. You know, we're going to be ordering pretty much the whole right side of the engine gasket kit. So when we pull all this stuff off, we go back with fresh new items. And they're OE quality, everything. So, you know, it's going to be a great deal, guys. So guys, with being partnered with ECS Tuning now, that is going to give us the opportunity to do the work that we need to do on these three cars, guys. So, you know what we have plans for the red one. The white one here, the track car, if you didn't see in my Instagram video, you'll see right here. How bad the bushing actually is. We'll be ordering a new bushings for the whole diff, the rear subframe, everything from ECS Tuning, guys. The X5, the daily, needs some front control arm bushings and everything like that. So we'll be ordering all that through ECS Tuning as well. All the links will be down in the description below. This car is dirty, needs to be cleaned. Hasn't moved, as most of the cars have not moved lately because we've been doing a lot of house stuff, guys. You see the new Sparko seats for this car. So the Sparkos, I think, are going to go in here when I get time. This car has been in the same position since I took the supercharger off with Tommy and everything like that. Oh, grab some stickers, guys. We still have some left on the website. But really, guys, this video, I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update on the channel and what's going on, you know, where we are with this car. Got the new supercharger, but we're not going to throw it in yet. Need the diff bushings for the white one, and so on and so forth. Just endless products and projects to do, but guys, ECS is going to help us out a ton with this promotion. You know, it's really going to be a good partnership, and I'm actually going to get all the parts that I need to get all 3 of these cars back on the road, guys. So, thanks for watching this episode, guys. Go get your stickers off the website. Link is in the description, as well as all the ECS that I just talked about. All of the links. Use the links, because they're going to help you out. They're going to help me out. Help ECS out. So guys, go get the parts you need. Go get the stickers off the website. And I will see you guys next video, which I think we're going to be back on the house doing windows, guys. But wanted to give you an update on the cars and what's going on. If you guys have any questions or comments, down below, guys, just hit the like button, subscribe, tell your friends, whatever you want, guys. I'll see you next video.